First of all, thank you for taking the time to watch this video and to take your earnings in your business to the next level. So I want to start off by saying that this is not a sales pitch of any kind. You don't have to spend a single dollar ever. What this is an opportunity for you guys to use our service for free to accept cryptocurrency into your business. There's no monthly fee, there's no minimum requirement. What this is a system to safely and quickly accept cryptocurrency anytime someone wants to purchase something from your store. You can also use this to buy and sell cryptocurrency later on once you get more familiar with the system. But again, all of this is 100% free to use. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I want to accept cryptocurrency, otherwise known as Bitcoin, into my store? Maybe you don't know much about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Now what I can tell you is this: the financial system has changed significantly over the past 30 years. This is no longer a time where people only use cash to buy and sell different products. People can use checks, credit cards, Apple Pay, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and now the next method that I believe is going to be a very widely used method is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. We can already start to see a shift in the way that people are paying for their items right now. The juggernaut payment processors like Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App have all started to allow people to use Bitcoin in stores, to buy Bitcoin, and to sell Bitcoin. And if that doesn't convince you, even the biggest company in the world, Amazon, as well as others like Overstock, have allowed people to use Bitcoin transactions as ways to pay for items on their websites. Paybit Club can give you the same advantage as these juggernaut companies and allow you to accept Bitcoin in literally minutes. Signing up is a piece of cake. All you have to do is fill out this Google form, and then you have access to the system. Today, right now, you can use it in your store. So I know the next question you might have is, how do you get people who have Bitcoin into your store purchasing your products? And on top of that, at the time of the recording of this video, many of your stores might be closed due to the lockdown. However, you're in luck because this company can help you out with that as well. To address the first point of how do you get people who own Bitcoin into your stores in the first place, well, speaking as a person who owns Bitcoin myself and as a person who looks for stores that offer and accept Bitcoin, it's really easy to find the places that accept Bitcoin because they put a sticker or a printout that says we accept Bitcoin here on their window. So I'm willing to actually send you guys a printout or a sticker if you do get signed up and you want to try to use this service free of charge. Now, when you're doing this, I can tell you from experience again, I can tell you all of the stores within a 50-mile radius of where I live that use and accept Bitcoins. And I can also tell you that I would probably never step foot inside of these stores if they didn't have that sticker. So this can be a big advantage for you because, like I said, when other payment methods start to take over, like how the credit card took over the cash method and how Bitcoin is about to take over the credit card method, you're going to want a piece of that market as early as possible. And you're going to want people who own Bitcoins to know that your store is Bitcoin friendly. Now, if your stores are not accessible to foot traffic at the moment for whatever reason, then Paybit Club also allows you to list your products on their website for free so that people around the world can use Bitcoin to purchase your products and you can send them over to them at any point in time. Now again, getting started is really easy, absolutely free, and very fast. All you have to do is fill out the Google form and your system will be set up immediately. There's no obligation. You do not have to pay any amount of money, any time whatsoever. You can use this service 1,000 times a day, or you can use it never, and the cost to you will be exactly the same, which is $0. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. Try it out. If you don't like it, don't use it anymore. And if you love it and if it works well for your business, then congratulations. I was happy to be of help to your business.